This is Henning from FlippedNormals, and I'm really happy to present the FlippedNormals Face VDMs. This is a new kit we created to help you design stunning and realistic faces in just a few clicks. It contains tons of pre-built base meshes and VDM brushes, so that you can make interesting characters with a huge variety. Start by selecting one of the many base meshes, then pick the eyes, ears, nose, lips and eyebrows in any order you like. Experiment with the size, position and rotation to instantly change the look of your character. A huge advantage of the FlippedNormals Face VDMs isn't just that you can create characters much faster than before, it's that you can quickly experiment with character designs. Instead of spending half an hour changing the eyes, you can try out 17 completely different eyes in a matter of seconds. This allows you to play around with the character design without committing to hours of work. With thousands of possible combinations, the only limitation is your imagination. We hope you have tons of fun with the FlippedNormals Face VDMs, and we can't wait to see what kind of characters you'll make.